Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, basically I'm fed up, okay? It's been too freaking cold. This wind has been unruly. The trees outside my house fell down last night, and I'm like, you know what? I'm sick of this weather. I'm not even going to entertain the thought of it being cold anymore. So today I am doing a springtime makeup look with some sunflowers, with some bright colors, some big curls, and yeah, because I'm not doing it. I'm not entertaining the thought of it being cold anymore. So I've done my eyebrows already, and you know, like concealed my eyelids. So now I'm going to curl my hair and set it in Flexirods first. I'm using my, wow, I have had this curling iron since 2011. I've had this one. I got it from CVS, and I don't even know what brand it is anymore because as you can see all the letters, it just says U. Oh, you know what? This is the Conair U Curl. Wow, a throwback. Okay, I don't even know if they make this anymore, but you know, anyone will do. So I'm using those, and I'm using these Flexirods. I have some purple and some pink. And yeah, so I'm going to curl my hair and get these Flexirods in, and then I will be back to talk to you. Okay, so first I'm just parting my hair in a big section. That's about 3 curls right there. And I'm just going to try to put the other side up, but I don't have any pins. So I'm just putting it in a ponytail on the other side while I get to curling that section right there. Okay, so when I'm doing these wine curls, I'm literally not curling it any specific way. Well, I'm curling it away from my face, but I'm not flattening the hair or anything like that. I'm literally just wrapping the hair around the wand, whichever way it goes. And look at me giving the stink face. Like, girl, who told you to do a hair tutorial without hairpins, without a scrunchie, without clips, without anything? Silly. Okay, so after I do those 3 or 4 curls, I'm going to take the hair and wrap it around the Flexirod the same way that I would with the curling wand. And at the ends, I'm also going to like figure it out a little bit at the ends, just so that when I'm wrapping it, nothing's getting tangled or anything like that. And I'm just going to bend the Flexirod really tight so that it just stays. And yeah, so now I'm going to move on to my next section of hair, and I'm just going to keep repeating that same exact sequence. By the way, check out your girl with the yellow background, looking like a real YouTuber. Alright, so that's my last Flexirod to put in on that side. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other side, and then I will be back. So I went ahead and finished my other side. And now that I'm looking like Big Worm, I'm going to put my scarf on and then we'll get started on this makeup. Okay, so since I'm using the yellow and orange eyeshadows, I'm going to use this white NYX jumbo pencil and put that all over my lids and then blend that out just so that the yellow really stands out. This is the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to be using that orange and yellow for this whole entire look. Just too simple, very, very simple, just 2 eyeshadows. So I'm using that orange as my transitional shade, and I'm just going to really build up on that color.
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. Flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms. Sending flowers to me, send me no flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. You've been sending flowers to me.
So now I'm just taking that yellow shade and I'm adding that yellow shade to my crease and to my lid. And then I'm going to take my BH Cosmetics 101 brush and I'm going to blend those two together around the edges. And I'm also going to go back in with the yellow and add more yellow after that.
You went away, you went away. Sending, sending, you went away, you went away, you went away. Ever since the day that you went away, you went away, you went away. You've been sending flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. Flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms. Sending flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms.
So that is it for this eye look. That's it and that is all. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye and then I will be back. I'm taking my makeup wipe removers and I'm just wiping off any excess that fell. Okay, so for primer today, I'm using my Hangover by Too Faced and I'm going to also be using my Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation.
Ever since the day that you went away, you went away. You've been sending flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. Flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms. Sending flowers to me.
So I am using the Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer and I'm just blending that out with my Damp Beauty Blender.
You've been sending flowers to me, send me no flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. Ever since the day that you went away, you went away, you went away. Ever since the day that you went away.
Now for contour, I'm using my black Opal foundation stick. Like, if you guys watch any of my previous videos, you guys already know, like, this is my contour and highlight routine. Like, I do it in every video. So I'm not going to show, like, you know, everything. Some things might be faster. I might cut some clips because I did it in full detail many, many, many times. Okay, so for setting powder, I'm using my Sacha Buttercup mixed with Laura Mercier. And yeah, I'm going to do that in all the places that I highlighted. So now, while we're baking, I'm going to go ahead and add some mascara to my lashes and apply my lashes.
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. Flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today.
So now I'm just taking the makeup off of my lips, and I'm going to go ahead and add lip liner and some lip gloss, which is completely cut off. I'm sorry guys. I'm using my NK lip liner, and I'm just using some clear, it's literally a clear lip gloss from the beauty supply store. Like it's very, very simple. Setting powder away, and I'm also going to go in and redefine my brows just a tad bit, because I don't know why, but maybe I'm using too much setting powder. I don't know, but my eyebrows just seem to get lost in translation. Like I don't know. So yeah, I'm going back in and just adding a little bit more product to my eyebrows just to define them a little bit. So just to make it pop a little bit, I'm adding that white Jumbo NYX crayon in the color Milk, and I'm just adding that to my waterline.
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers, flowers to me.
Okay, so now I'm just doing my bottom lashes with my Estee Lauder mascara. Guys, all these products and brushes, everything is going to be in the description box. Everything, I promise. So if I leave something out, it's down there.
Flowers come back to me and hold me in your arms. Sending flowers to me, send me no flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. You've been sending flowers to me, send me no flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. Ever since the day that you went away.
Now I'm just wrapping it up with highlight. I'm using my Master Chrome highlighter in the color Molten Peach, and I'm just going to highlight my face. Relax guys, I have on a shirt, just a tube top, and yeah, now it's time to take these curls out. So just unravel the Flexirods, and yeah, they are so beautiful. I love it. I love when I Flexirod my hair. The curls, yo, the after of the curls, goodness, orgasm. with the baby hairs and taking out all the Flexirods, we're just going to go ahead and finger those curls out. Just finger them all the way out. There's no specific way to do it. Just finger them all out, and look how beautiful it looks. They're so big, they're so bouncy and fluffy. Yeah, these are so cute. And this is our final look with our hair and our makeup, but not too final because I'm going to go ahead and add some headbands and some hair accessories, and yeah, we're gonna make this the whole thing today. Sunflowers are so adorable. I got them in a pack from Amazon. I will leave that link below as well. I'm just like placing them in my hair, but I think that in the spring when I actually wear my hair like this, like outside in real life, I'm going to probably hot glue some like small bobby pins to the flowers just so that, you know, they'll stay there. It's so cute. Such a cute look. I love it. Alright guys, so this is my final look. Is this spring enough for you? Because that's what it's giving. I'm so ready. Like I'm so ready. Of course I will leave everything in the description box. I think that I'm actually going to wear my hair like this in the spring. Like maybe the first day of spring, I'm wearing my hair just like this. Like just like this. So majestic, so SZA. So just fabulous. It's just so cute. I love this look. As you can see, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. And of course, this is my tiara hair. And yeah, so that's it for today, guys. Until next time.